YouTube, welcome back to the channel, y'all. I know y'all ain't hear my voice in a month, and let me tell y'all, I got no excuses for y'all, man. I'm gonna just say I hope y'all having a good day. Welcome back to the channel. But believe it or not, I literally got no excuses because one, I haven't been doing anything with the car, bro. I literally just been going to work, regular life shit, bro. Like, I haven't nothing with the car, no new parts, no nothing. But in today's video, we're gonna do maintenance and clean up the car, because I said, bro, I literally haven't been doing nothing for a whole month. So the least I can do is the oil change and wash the car, bro. So, you know what I'm saying? Literally, the car still looks the same. Nothing new has been done. She is dirty. We about to run to Walmart, get everything we need for the oil change later. We're gonna wash her up, clean her up, bro. And yeah, the exhaust is still coming. So, you know what I'm saying? Give you some time. Life is just lifing right now. But for the most part, she still literally looks the same. Let's head on to Walmart, bro. Get what we need to get. So we found the filter, 90915YZZNY. I mean 1 is an OEM filter, so we're gonna use this. They literally don't have the oil, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually be smart today, and I'm gonna go ask for help. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna literally ask for help and see they have in the back. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Sometimes when we use our head and we don't act dumb for the day, we get shit done. The dude literally found it for me. It was literally hiding behind all the oil, bro. Yeah, I know wear glasses too. That's crazy. Cause guess what? I wasn't trying to drive nowhere else for no goddamn oil. I tell you that. That's facts. But for the most part, let's grab what else I need to grab. I got the oil. I got the filter. I got the soap. I don't think I need nothing else for the car. Realistic. Let me go grab this here from my little sister. And I think that's it for the Walmart run, bro. Oh, while I'm here, matter of fact, while I'm here, let me show y'all a little, you know what I'm saying? Let me show y'all a little something. It's alright. I don't own one, but I definitely use my boys. Oh, they don't got it? They don't got it, bro. They got this little brush that I literally use to clean my wheels, bro. It's small. It literally looks like a paintbrush. And I just used to get into the crevice of my wheels, bro. Get the real dirt, you know what I'm saying? Get all that dirt out, bro. I promise you, this is the best shit ever. This is not no goddamn come to Walmart, no secret. Nah, this ain't none of that, bro. I just literally show you what I use. I use this to wash my car. You know what I'm saying? Y'all come grab it. It's only $9. This, and I use the brush from my boy house to wash my wheels, and that's literally it to keep the car shine, bro. Man, imagine being on bags. Imagine being on bags. Should I go low, chat? You know what I'm saying? Drop it down below if you think I should go low. I low-key think I want to go low in the front. I'm already scraping, but like a little more low won't hurt, right? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see about that, because this shit is pretty low. But maybe bags next year, chat. Let's see how I feel. Maybe we go bags next year. 2019 is right? 2019 is right? 2018 AMG C43. Oh man, my boy done came a long way from a Subi to the AMG C43, bro. Twin turbo. I'm on 350? 350 horsepower? 385 horsepower, my boy. From a Subaru to a 385 twin turbo AMG C43. Ain't that some shit, boy? You know what I'm saying? Y'all remember my boy the Lexi? He got another one in the you know what I mean? He got another one in the basement. His baby. This is his new GS. You know what I'm saying? It's a 2016 GS 350. You know what I'm saying? It already got wheels and everything, bro. So my boy got 2 cars. This is his baby. We got everything ready. Car jacked up. We'll pour ourselves with this oil change. So my boy helped me took the oil filter off. The pan's already drained out. That's drained out. That's a new filter. That's 4 screws. About to put some of the grease from that on top of the filter. I'm about to look for the old gasket. Make sure it's there on here. God. Damn, this shit. Yo, the gasket did come off? The gasket did come off? I'm dropping that one. Can't find this fucking gasket. I don't see the gasket on this shit. Oh yeah, it's up on it. Oh, alright, good. It ain't not it. It's up on this. You see gasket on it? It looked like the robot part. It looked like it. Yeah, it ain't that. I'm getting the new one. About to put this new fucking filter in. Grease it up a little bit more. Damn. Alright, y'all. Filters in. 4 screws in. That's the end of the oil change, bro. I gotta clean this whole mess up. Clean everything, goddamn. Yo, your thing, bro. Your thing, bro. Bumble clot. Damn, man. That shit took longer than what I expected. Fuck. Alright, y'all. So she's all. Honestly, I ain't even wash her, but my boy wiped her down. I told him I was gonna wash her tomorrow. Do like a whole video separately with the washing, cause we got done late. I didn't feel like washing it in the dark. I want to give like a good wipe down, wash down, soaped up, inside, vacuum out, all the extra good shit, bro. But he decided like, yo, you still got to wipe down. So he wiped it down for me, just until tomorrow. But for the most part, oil change is done. Maintenance is reset. I checked everything properly. I'm gonna double check it in the morning. But for the most part, bro, today was a successful day. The car maintenance is done. Appreciate y'all for always tuning in. I appreciate y'all for watching me, man. Thank you for all the love and support, bro. Let's continue to grow the channel, bro. We have 522 subs, bro. Let's hit that 550, man. All right, I'll catch y'all on the other one, man. I'm gone.
I just like the sound.